Hey guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to talk about best online course platforms in 2023. It is a step-by-step guide to follow easily. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's dive right in. If you're thinking about creating and selling online courses, your choice of an online course platform is absolutely crucial. With so many options out there, each with its own unique features, it's important to pick the one that's right for you. So on this video, we will help creators like you turn their skills and passions into profitable online businesses. So we're going to talk about online course creation platforms and we'll help you decide which one suits your needs best. So we'll feature 7 options. We have here Teachable, we have Podia, we have KAJABI, MEMBERVAULT, and THRIVECART. Now let's go over to all of these platforms and we'll start with Teachable. So this is a platform to create and sell online courses with customization options and built-in marketing tools. As you can see, they offer a lot of plans in here. So we'll just head over to their pricing so that you'd be able to see the different plans that they offer. And here's how this works. You'll just need to click onto this try for free to sign up for a free account. Then they will ask you to verify and you will see the sign up page right after. So as you can see in here, you can type in your full name, email address, your password, and then confirm your password again and agree to the terms and condition and just click on create account. Now Teachable will help you build your experience matching to your needs. You'll just need to answer the details that they were asking in here so that they would be able to align it onto what you are making. So just answer the questions in here and then right after you're done, you'll just need to hit on to next. Now it's time to build your school. You'll just need to add in a school name in here. Now choose the color theme to start and then click on continue. Now add in your product and then your courses and then right after you'll be headed to its dashboard. So it is pretty simple since once you're already in the dashboard, you'll just need to scroll down for a little bit and then you'll see the different steps onto setting up your school or your courses. So you'll just need to follow all of the steps in there. There are also guides that they offer so that you'd be able to set up your online courses. Now the next website that we have in here is Thinkific. So these are the different plans that they offer. They have a free plan, which is the one that we're going to be featuring for today. So feel free to go over through all of the details of their plan so that you could choose which one do you prefer to. So this is the same with Teachable. It is a platform to create, market, and sell online courses with various customization and integration purposes. So you'll just need to click on to get started to sign up for an account and try to fill in all of the details that are needed to proceed. As you can see, you are seeing the same set of platforms with Teachable. So they will ask you the same questions as well onto what is the name of your business, what industry are you in, or some sort of things like that. You'll just need to hit on next. They'll ask you onto what you want to build, if it's a course or a community. So we'll choose course for that, and then you can give your course a name, add in a color, and just filling up all of those details so that you'd be redirected to the dashboard right after. So here in the dashboard, there are steps on what are the things needed to be done. You're on the getting started page. You could see in here, they have a welcome video for you. So you can review that one. Then right after, you will choose which one do you want to delve in so that you could finish the steps onto creating that one. So for this video, we'll choose on create your first course and then you could review onto what are the things needed to be done in there, fill those things up or add in all of the details so that you could proceed. Now let's go to the other platform. We have is Podia. This is an online course creation platform that allows you to create and sell online courses, digital products, and memberships. It provides a user-friendly interface for creators to build their courses, design sell pages, and manage their content. Podia focuses on simplicity and offers features like drip content, email marketing, and affiliate programs. Now signing up for an account onto this website is free and easy. So you'll just need to click on sign up for free, then you'll add in your name, email, password, and just click on get started. Now it will ask you where would you like to start. And since we want to build an online course in here, so we'll click onto this one in here and just click on to build your online course get started button. Now add in a course name and right after you'll see the page wherein you can add in the lessons, details, pricing, availability of your online course. So just feel free to roam around onto this section in here so that you would be able to familiarize all of the tools that they offer. So feel free to skim onto all of the details and once you're done, you could just click onto done on the upper part or click onto publish. And onto this part, you'd be able to see a draft onto the course that you have created. So going on to the next platform we have here is Kajabi. Kajabi is an all-in-one platform that enables creators to build and sell online courses, memberships, digital products, and launch marketing campaigns. It provides tools for course creation, website building, email marketing, and more. Kajabi aims to simplify the process of creating, marketing, and selling digital products. So to get started onto this platform, you'll just need to type in your name, last name, your email address, and click on to continue, or you can continue with Google to sign up for the 30-day free trial. Now you can add in your first name, last name, email address, and your payment information since you'll need to add those one so that you'd be able to proceed with a 30-day free trial. And right after those free trial, you'll be billed $199 per month. Then right after filling up, just click on to start free trial, and then you'll see the same page onto what we've undergone earlier, answering a series of questions so that you'd be able to build your online course. We also have Learn Worlds in here. So it is an interactive online learning platform that allows educators and creators to build and sell online courses, creating an engaging learning experiences and fostering a sense of community among learners. So with features like interactive video players and social learning tools, Learn Worlds aims to provide a dynamic and immersive learning environment. So to start your trial onto this platform, just click onto this button in here, and then you'll be redirected to enter your details such as your email and your school name. Right after filling all of those details, just click on Start Your 30-day free trial now. So right after, you'll undergo the same process that we did onto the different platforms earlier, filling out all of the details so that they would be able to create or align the courses onto your answer. So make sure to add in all the right details in there so that they'd be able to provide you with the best settings aligned for your courses. So for the last two platforms we have here is MEMBERVAULT. This is an online learning platform that places a strong emphasis on building relationships and engagement between creators and learners, because this allows you to create a dynamic learning environment where you can offer courses, memberships, and digital products, all while nurturing a sense of community and connection. And lastly, we have here is THRIVECART. This is an advanced shopping cart platform designed to help you sell digital products, courses, memberships, and services. So it offers features like one-click upsells, customizable checkout pages, affiliate management, and integration with various tools to streamline your online sales process. And there you have it, the best online course platforms in 2023. So make sure to choose the platform that suits your needs and start your online business journey today. Make sure to explore these platforms and unleash your online potential. And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe for more updates. And until then, see you on our next video.